De-extinction company plan to recreate giant moa birds. It may only be a matter of time before dinosaurs are back among us. Biotechnology and genetic engineering company Colossal Bioscience claims it is on the cusp of successfully bringing back extinct species. On Tuesday, the company announced its plan to resurrect the moa, a 3.6-meter tall, flightless bird. The giant moa once roamed New Zealand's South Island. It was hunted to extinction 600 years ago. Colossal's chief scientist Bess Shapiro said, "We are bringing back avian dinosaurs. Her colleagues will try to recreate the extinct bird by extracting DNA from the bones of long-deceased moa. Scientists will use this DNA to modify the genome of an emu, which is the closest living relative of the moa. Colossal is embarking on many de-extinction projects. These have created controversy among the scientific community. Colossal defines de-extinction as the process of generating an organism that both resembles and is genetically similar to an extinct species. It claimed that the extinction will allow scientists to engineer natural resistance in endangered animals today. It will also enhance the adaptability of species to thrive in climate change, the dwindling resource disease, and human interference. However, critics contend that extinct animals cannot be replicated. Many scientists are concerned about the unforeseen and detrimental impact of inserting hybrid species into the wild.